body naturally goes through an unparalleled restorative process during deep sleep. Basically, everything good, everything positive, everything that matters when it comes to our health and our appearance happens during deep sleep. Vital tissues throughout the body are repaired, including the brain. Our brain cells regenerate and proteins are cleaned out, allowing us to maintain memory and to optimize cognitive function. And most importantly, during this fascinating stage of deep sleep, our body naturally releases its number one fat-burning, metabolism-boosting and cellular revitalizing hormone. Increased cortisol is directly linked to stress, inflammation and the most dangerous form of body fat, visceral fat, which doesn't just expand our waistline. Studies show that visceral fat strains our most vital organs, which can lead to dozens of chronic and serious health problems. To make things even more difficult, a lack of deep sleep stops the release of our appetite-suppressing hormone leptin. And it increases our hunger hormone ghrelin, which can consistently make us feel hungrier than we should be and a regular victim of those pesky, late-night cravings. So, obviously a lack of deep sleep is something we want to avoid. Research shows modern-day stress and technology to be causing our deep sleep levels to drop up to twice as much and twice as fast as ever before. Which is why by the time many of us reach our 40s, the amount of quality restorative deep sleep we get can drop by up to 90% or more, which can leave us at only 10% of our fat-burning and regenerative potential. And it's a real shame, because most of us have heard that we only use about 10% of our brain's potential. Yet most women don't realize that many of us may only be using about 10% or so of our body's regenerative and metabolic potential, and some of us may be using even less. However, the bright side is this: we naturally possess more fat-burning, healing and regenerative potential than most of us have ever realized. It's already within us, just waiting to be untapped. And now you can do so easily and naturally. Overnight.